Hello everyone. This is the overall system that we are work for. So this is the borewell, and this is the overall controlled system. So this is the circuit diagram, circuit connection we have given. So this is the GSM, Arduino and relay, and this is the starter. So whenever we send commands from the Android app, that commands will be received by the GSM, and this GSM sends that command to Arduino. This Arduino sends so that relay will trigger. Suppose for example, if we send on command from the smartphone, so that command will be received by this GSM, that same command will be transmitted to the Arduino. If this Arduino receive on command, this Arduino will transfer 5 volts to this relay, so that this relay will toggle, and whenever this relay toggle will relay this switch on this starter, so that this starter will go to star connection first, and then switches to delta connection, so that this borewell will turned on. Now we are demonstrating our project. For that we have developed an app called water management system. This was the app that we have developed. After opening this app, it will ask login or sign up. If user doesn't have an account, he has to sign up first. For that it will ask motor ID to enter. This motor ID will be unique for Unix starter. So and this motor ID will be present on the starter. After verifying this motor ID, it will ask user ID and password to create an account. Now I have already created an account, so I will simply log in. After logging in, the new page will open. It will ask to choose borewell to operate. Now I am choosing borewell 1. So after that it will show different commands. So the commands are on, off, get status, schedule and get data. This command will be sent to a GSM, and then overall system will operate. Now I am pressing on command. So message is sent. So this sound indicates starter goes to star connection, and this sound indicates starter goes to delta connection, and user will get the message like that motor was finally switched on. Now it will take few seconds to uplift the water from the borewell. This what the borewell is. So the water is flowing. Now I will switch off the borewell. Now I will press off command. So message is sent, and now the water will stop. So and after that the user will get the confirmation message to his registered mobile number. Like motor is finally switched off, and volume of water lifted is 164.28. So this was the message we have got. And if we want to see the status of the borewell, we have to press get current status command. Now that message also sent, and then now user will get the status of the borewell through confirmation SMS. So see, the motor is currently off. If motor is running at that point time, if we send get current status, that will show motor is in on condition, like that. So after that this 164.28 liters of volume of water lifted, this will be retrieved by this will be stored in the cloud, and that will be retrieved to calculate statistical data, and also to train the machine learning algorithm. So after that machine learning will predict how much water needed in the upcoming week or month, like that. So this is the demonstration of our project, and thank you. To schedule the borewell, we need to press the schedule button, After that it will ask to set on time and off time. To set on time we need to press this button. So the timer will open. This timer will read the mobile timings which is present above top corner. So I will set 14:20 only. So the now the time is 14:20. So message is sent, and we can see here on message sent successfully. And after that we need to set off time also. So I'm setting 1 minute after, so 14:22. So now the time is set. See, now the timing is 14:22. So it's showing off message sent successfully. So after that the motor, the borewell will operate as shown earlier in this video. First will on, and then motor will off at the given time.